Hi. Now India is officially under 50% tariff of United States, and India and Brazil are just two countries in the world who are in that 50% mark. So definitely it will affect and hurt Indian businesses, particularly the textile industry or shrimp industry or automobile parts industry, diamond industry. But come 6 to 8 months, and I'm optimistic that India will find alternative markets. They can be in Asia, Middle East, Africa, or Latin America. Because one thing Russia has proved, when Russia was cut off from the entire financial system of West, including the SWIFT payment system, their economy not only just survived, but it progressed. So Indian economy can follow the same way. But what is lost is the 20-30 years of hard work, a bipartisan hard work in United States and in India. In India, both BJP and Congress worked hard to bring the two countries, US and India, closer. And in US, both Republicans and Democrats worked hard. And there was a trust built up, which has been lost in 6 months of US administration of Mr. Donald Trump. Another news is coming that PM Modi is not taking calls from Trump. So I think he is giving a very clear-cut signal that India is not going to compromise on its foreign policy sovereignty. Plus, I think he must be avoiding those calls because we saw how Donald Trump was selectively leaking conversations, telephonic conversations from Vietnam. So that is also a cheap tactic actually. But there is a very strong signal from India that foreign policy, autonomy and sovereignty is non-negotiable.